Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to craft a Nautilus armor in Minecraft. Let's take Nautilus shell and let's take some material, for example, diamonds. Let's take diamonds and let's see. Let's go to crafting table and put diamonds like that, just like a helmet, and put Nautilus shell in the middle. And as you can see, I've just successfully crafted a diamond Nautilus armor. Let's try, for example, gold. Yeah, let's try gold. Let's take another Nautilus shell and put it the exact same way in a crafting table. And as you can see, I've crafted a golden Nautilus armor. You can ask, guys, how did I actually do that? Because you cannot craft a Nautilus armor in vanilla Minecraft. And yeah, of course you cannot. But the thing is, I'm using a data pack for this. And you can find this data pack in my Telegram channel. I gave you the link in the description. Here, we just click download data pack. You need to save it on your PC. And after that, you just install it to your Minecraft world. That's it, guys. To install data pack to your existing world, guys, you just need to select your world and click edit. Here we need to open world folder, and the folder is opened. Yeah, and here we can see data packs folder. We need to open this folder, and after that we just need to drag and drop this file that you just saved on your PC. We moved that file to the to the folder, and after that, yeah, that's it basically. The data pack is successfully installed. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.